Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Ensure you're signed in and have permission to change settings and back up any custom layout. Once done, open Settings and navigate to Accessibility. This is where the persistent home screen button is usually enabled. Make sure to skip needless steps and locate the specific touch or assistive touch entry. You want to act now. The first actionable move is to toggle that virtual button off, not to rearrange icons or remove apps yet. Once assistive touch or the virtual button toggle is off, make sure to remove any widgets or shortcuts linked to it. Long press the home screen, choose Edit or Remove Widgets, and delete the widget that replicates the button. Next, check screen time and any mobile device management profiles that could re-enable accessibility features. Disable or update those policies. If you removed an app that provided the button, uninstall and clear its data so nothing resurrects the control. Finish by restarting your device to ensure the button is gone and settings have applied. If the icon or overlay persists, reset the home screen layout in Settings General. This clears stuck shortcuts. Make sure to verify accessibility and device management profiles after reboot. If the button returns, it's likely enforced by a configuration profile or an app. Remove that profile or contact the administrator. Keep this troubleshooting step in mind.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.